Now before I start changing this truck latch out, this is a plastic truck latch that you can buy, I don't know, 15 bucks, and it has this plastic piece right here, which puts all of its weight onto this little cheap steel thing here, and it moves the wires, which they're about, I don't know, 2 feet long, all the way out to here on each side. Okay? The other one I'll show you outside is it cracked right along here after about 6 months. Now normally when you get a replacement, a cheap Chinese replacement, they come with the little piece here. The other piece, insulator I got, was broken. This is a new one I just got in. I didn't know they made them in chrome. This is another Chinese one. But the thing about this one is that this piece right here is steel. This, I don't know how I can say it. Is it fulcrum or something? Appears to be in a better shape right here. Plus these are cast and they are not put in like this. So what you need, or let's just say, okay, when I bought the truck brand new in '93, it's about December of '93. I knew I was going to keep the truck, and it's this little truck right here. This is a little two-wheel drive. I talked to the dealership, and I said, listen, I want a certified repair manual for them. Now, this is before the internet, before everything. This cost me $150 for these two manuals. One is for the engine, the other is for the chassis, the body, and the electrical. And you can see that all of this used to be orange. Right here, you can see where it looks pink. That's just all the years of these sitting on my shelf. The next video, we're gonna go out, and I've taken off the back of the truck latch, and I'm going to show you what I did. Also, what I did to improve the truck latch. Because one thing I will say is that if you go to Toyota and you're looking for original parts, this latch probably will be $80 to $100, I imagine. But it won't fail, like this cheap one that failed. I didn't know that this is the third time I'm replacing it right now. So I'm going to go with the chrome one, see how well it works. What I'll have to do on this, these are the wire guides right here. As you can see right here, the wire goes in the little hole right there, and then it clips right here. They all come with this. And you have a right and a left. On here, you have the same thing, right here and right here. It's pretty easy to do. But what I'm going to show you is what I did with the rest of the situation to make it work right. As far as the latches on the left and the right of the bed, on how to get them in good shape. Okay, so now we're going to go outside. It's cold out there. It's January something. I'm going to take this new latch, and I'll sit there and explain how I did it. And on the problems that I had, and also things that might help you if you need to replace the latch. Because this is my third time doing it. No. Let's see. Second time. Okay, we continue.